Maybe Naganti. Okay, so this is where I left off.
Yes.
All right, let me continue. Okay.
Tanya, can I post the recordings of these construction of Euler curve on YouTube?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Okay, thank you so
Yes,
much.
yes.
what about the temperatures there now?
Hmm?
What about the temperature there now?
The temperature?
I mean, like, is it hot or weather? What we say?
Oh, like in Austin.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you meant in the graph. I was like, what do you mean? I was like, when did we talk about temperature? Oh, the temperature is good. It's cooling down. So it's nice. Did I was like, oh my gosh, did I miss something? Okay. Temperatures, it's getting colder, so it's nice. तो
Okay.
पाकिस्तान में कैसा है?
Pakistan, like here in Punjab, it has started like in the night, a lot of rain, and so the temperature is quite cold right now. But it's like start of winter.
Oh, right. Oh, okay. That's good.
So, and I don't like winters.
Oh, really? Why not?
Yes, because I remain sick whole winter. That's why.
Oh, okay, okay.
Like two headache and it like the whole winters. And when it comes summer, so I just get better. Otherwise, everybody like winters. No one likes summers.
Really?
Mostly people like summers.
Okay.
Do you listen to music?
No, not right now. There's just, जो आपको पता है जब एक song आपके दिमाग में रहता है,
Yes, yes,
देर से
yes.
रहता है, लेकिन जब मैं काम करती हूँ मैं नहीं सुनती हूँ. ये distraction है.
Yeah.
Distraction.
But
Yeah.
otherwise, you like listening music like
Oh yeah. मैं सुनती हूँ. जब
what
मैं
are your favorite?
my favorite is probably एक female singer है. Urdu गानों. I also listen to Urdu गाने. लेकिन my favorite is probably like pop music.
Okay, so in pop, which singer
Um,
you like? Taylor Swift?
I like Ariana Grande. Um,
Ah,
mhm.
okay.
I like I don't know, मेरा बड़ा variety है. I like a lot of people. तो लेकिन मैं उर्दू गाना भी
Yes.
सुनती हूँ और मेरी अम्मी सुनते
Uh,
हैं.
so in Urdu, what do you listen?
In Urdu, I listen to. I don't have a specific artist that I listen to. I sometimes just listen to the
And a song which you like not probably like the artist, the song which you
oh,
listen
the
and
song. I like my favorite song in Urdu is Soch Na Sake. That's my favorite one, I think. I don't know who it's by, but I just know the name. Uh,
oh.
it's by Arjit Singh. तो पता है उर्दू में
Ah. Oh, Arijit Singh is basically the Indian.
Indian वाला. My Fatma really likes Basuri. That's one of her favorites.
Ah,
Basuri.
Basuri. Have you
Oh,
heard it?
GGT Coke Studio का है. मेरे
Yes,
family
yes.
सारा Coke Studio fans है, my entire family. तो
Yeah. So I also listen to Coke Studio, like the Sufi songs especially.
No, they're good.
Like the Abda Parveen. Okay, so in my case, what happens is that I listen to a song, I like it so much that I keep listening it for the rest of the month,
And
and
then
then I fed with that song, and then I move to the next one. So one song for 1 month. This is how my system works.
no, honestly,
So
the same.
yes. So like the this month I am listening the Menare Mastana
Acha.
Meshokhir Indana from Abda Parveen. That is Coke Studio. So when
Okay.
I will fed up from it, then I will move to the next one, and then next.
But I do the same. So I'm also like I get very like if I constantly listen to a song, then I get sick of it very easily. So my rule
Yeah.
my rule now is I can't listen to a song a lot. Otherwise, I won't
And then
like
like when I start listening that song, it's such a cool, like it's giving such a good
Mhm.
vibes. So I want to listen it again and again. But when
Yeah,
I listen it too much, I fed up. Then I don't want to listen it again.
no, exactly. फिर बस हो गया. I can't listen to it anymore.
Yes. Okay. And then like जैसे बहुत सारे जैसे फैज अहमद फैज जो है वो पोइट्री है उनकी उनकी गजलें हैं दैट इज लाइक सारी बगावत वाली like they as you know the Pakistan is going through a crisis nowadays. There's like economy is just I don't know what's gonna happen in 5 years with the economy of Pakistan. Like it's like a downfall. So it's like going down and down and down. So right now I am probably high also on the Faiz Ahmed Faiz, who is all about Bagawat. So I just listen to it and I just feel like that how true they were in that times when there were no such economic crisis
Yeah.
and whenever I open social media nowadays, there is every time people are saying how to go out from Pakistan. Pakistan says Zindabad. And I'm like, no, you don't want to stay here. You don't want to make it better. You just want to run from here, and this is not the solution.
No, it's not.
Yeah, and we have to like stay here and do something, but like the individual actions doesn't matter. Like we have to think as a nation. Okay, so you are enjoying making this Euler spiral?
Yeah, it's very fun. I like it. You know when you're when you're like singing a song or some song comes in your head, but you don't know the name of the song at all. That happens
Yeah,
to me
but
all the
kind of music that is playing in your head, like you're trying to remember
time.
what
Yeah.
it is.
What am I listening to? This happens all the time, and I'm always like, what am I listening to? I don't remember.
Yeah, it happens. Like I remember when I was kid. So it was 14th August, the Independence Day of Pakistan, and I wanted to listen the national songs, like the patriotic songs, so
Hmm.
badly. At that time, there was internet at my home because my brother used to do work on the computer on the PC every time. So, but I was not familiar with it, like the YouTube thing and everything. And I just wanted to listen the national songs and the patriotic songs so bad that I was I don't know, because when you're a kid, so it's like something. So it is quite like you wanted to listen them. So in our school there were one or two songs being played, and it was Pakistan's day. And at home I wanted to listen them so badly, but I don't know how to do it. So I used to, like, I still remember that day, like when their car or anything used to go through the street and they were having any kind of national song, so I used to run towards the gate so that I will listen them. So now when I see my nephews celebrating the 14th August, so I look at them and I think that they're like,
So
I used to like I used to have the same vibes as they got it now. So and I think that, I was just so unfamiliar with the things that I didn't even know that I can play those songs on YouTube. And I was just,
hmm. No, I'm the same way, but it's fine. Say it. Let me see. 1.81. Have you seen The Good Doctor? Like it shows.
yeah, I have seen the 3 seasons of it.
Oh, is it good? Okay.
Yeah, it was good. It has 5 seasons. So
Oh
I
wow.
just watched I just skipped it at the third season. I Because at the third season it was quite a happy ending. So I
Hmm.
just thought, okay, now I don't want to ruin this ending in the second season, in the
Yes.
next season. So I just stopped it there, and I didn't watch it
Hmm.
after the third season. But it was good. Like, uh, where like San, uh, where it is American season, I guess, right?
Yeah,
Here in
I think so.
yeah, yeah, it is. But it was like very in like not like someone like me who has who has never been like think something like hospitals, surgeons, and all of the stuff. So it
Hmm.
was very interesting for me, like how they deal with the patients, and every patient have new story. And like in every episode there were new patients, and they were treating new diseases and diagnosing new everything, like, so it was quite informative and interesting
Hmm.
for me, because as I have no, like, I'm a person who does like maths and physics stuff. So it was kind of a good to watch, like how they take patients, like the operation theater, or how they have to make decisions very quickly in order to save the patients. And okay, and one the most important thing was, which is like, I used to consider doctor as like they just treat the disease of the patient.
Yeah.
Maybe in real life they do so, but in the drama or in the season, they have like the doctors were even basically
Diagnosing it.
working on working on the mental health of their patients. Like
Yeah.
they were trying to fix their lives. They were giving them better advices. They were even making like they even try to build or solve their life problems, which were not actually related to their disease, but they go
Out
but they
of their
always
way.
yes, they always go out of their way to solve their real life problems, like so it was quite they are being shown like, but I think that in reality, the doctors, I don't think so that they are interested in the personal life of their patients. They just like they just take care, like,
And then they're done. Yeah, I don't know if I don't really. My uncle and aunt are doctors.
okay,
I think like for some things, I don't really think itna itna hota hai, like they care that much. Obviously, they care to some extent, but I think जो drama में होते just like, oh,
yes,
I'm gonna go out of my way to do this and I'm gonna risk my job. I don't think they, at least
yeah,
no,
they actually do so
yeah,
and
I think
stuff.
they just do their job.
So I was just like, I used to watch that drama season, and I used to think that like it's so unrealistic. Like doctors like don't like they don't even care what actually going in their home. Either their relationship, like if their patient is a woman and she's a wife to someone, so what is her relation with her husband and all of the stuff, and try to fix that thing. I don't think so that the doctors are actually interested in all these things. They are interested in their surgery, how to perform, how to do,
Yeah.
and the stuff. So,
Yes, therapy नहीं है, therapy कैसे होना है? No, I agree. I think because like I mean I also don't think that doctors can. I don't think they can interfere in like personal things. Because then it
yeah,
becomes like a what is it called? I guess an inappropriate thing in a way. Like
yeah,
they can't give advice because about certain things because it's like that's not in their jurisdiction or it's not their role. तो वो नहीं दे सकते. So yeah, I don't know.
exactly.
They kind of go overboard with these sometimes. Just I
Mm-hmm.
saw one and this girl, she like fell in love with her patient and then she risked her doctor position to
Yeah.
save the patient.
Yes, and it is like
So it's very like okay, this is very unrealistic.
yes,
It's
it's seriously very unrealistic. But like they have to make their drama interesting, so
mm,
they do this kind of stunt. They so it can be more interesting,
mm,
and just to keep the interest of their audience in it.
yes, exactly. Yeah.
Okay, I guess so. One more curve, and then we are done with it.
Okay, okay.
And then I was thinking, I thought that okay, maybe not in Pakistan, but like in another countries, maybe the doctors like make things better in their personal life too.
Mm.
But that's really seriously unrealistic.
Yes. But honestly, I love watching it.
Yeah.
So fun for me.
Okay, how much episodes have you watched of The Good Doctor?
I've only seen like 2 episodes. I've watched Grey's Anatomy more.
Okay.
Oh, man. Okay. Should I do one more? No. अच्छा तो मैंने spiral Vanadia. I don't know if I said that right, but I made the spiral.
Okay, so it is kind of a spiral, right?
Yes.
So do you know which spiral is it?
The Ural spiral, but it also looks like the Pythagorean spiral. Pythagorean what is it called? Like the Pythagorean.
Okay. You can hide these extra tangent and perpendiculars.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So can you see that there are circles and how these circles are getting smaller and smaller, and then we are having this.
Yes.
So first the curvature is kind of less, and then it keeps increasing, or it is like the constant curvature.
Yeah. Yes. I see it. So I guess then they'd only use like some part of the Ural spiral, not the entire thing, right?
Yes. So only the only where it completes as 90-degree turn. So I'm sorry, I'm just
No.
it's very good here, so
No.
I'm not valid because of that. Okay,
Okay.
so um, um, do you know any country where there is summer all year?
I think like Alaska or some parts of Canada.
Canada is summer all year?
No, I think that they do have that. Like sometimes there will be um it'll be like summer for 9 months and then
Summer for 9 months.
yeah. Oh sorry, not all year, I guess.
Yes, no, a country where the summer is whole year. Like
Yeah.
maybe it's in where it can be. I really need to move there. Means I am very sensitive to cold. I don't know. I don't know what's the reason behind it. Okay, so so they only use the part of this spiral where the spiral takes the 90-degree turns, right?
Yeah.
So where it completes the its 90-degree, and we call that particular part of this spiral the transition spiral. So basically that is our part which is transition spiral, and this part we use. So the rest of the part is not actually being used because it's quite, the curvature is a lot, like it's a lot of curvature in the middle as it goes. Okay, so it was graphical construction of this because you have like constructed it by the use of um, radiuses, and then you took the tangents and then the perpendiculars and then you draw it. So there is one more way we can construct it, and You know that particular way? Like I told you that every kind of shape can be constructed by using the parametric curves of that.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so we have one more way by which we can construct this Euler spiral, and that is through its parametric curves. So we can move to the slides, and we can actually like from where we left, we can start reading it from there. I guess so the page number was, it is it is 72. Yeah, like 70, we can start from the 70.
Repeat the above process of drawing circles and arcs iteratively to continue the construction of the Euler spiral. Each subsequent arc will be 3 centimeters long, and the radii of the circles will decrease in sequence 20 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 6.7 centimeters, and so on.
Okay, so you have done this.
Yeah. Once again, sorry. Okay. Okay. The resulting curve formed by connecting the endpoints of the arcs will be the Ural curve or clothoid. It is a special curve known for its desirable geometric properties, such as maintaining a constant rate of curvature along its length. Please note that the construction explanation assumes a specific scale and measurement units. For practical application, the measurements can be scaled according to fit the desired size and the proportions of the Ural curve. Analytical construction of the Ural spiral. The parametric curves for the circle, as we have seen in previous sections, are x equals cosine t, y equals sine t, and x is equal to a parameter. For the Ural spiral, the parametric curves are a bit more complicated. At x equal to f t and 0 cosine u squared times du, and then y f t and 0 sine u squared times d and u is the parameter, and u is equal to the arbitrary variable name. As can be seen from both of the figures below, as can be seen from both of the figures, both of the parametric curves are different. Therefore, a vehicle or bicycle having the parametric curves of displacement will be having a different velocities and acceleration curves. Let's plot this curve in GeoGebra. Remember the Ural spiral method. Try to integrate the cosine and sine curve with the help of the Ural's method. Or you can make a slider and let GeoGebra do the rest for you. In both ways, the integrated curves are the same.
Okay, so can we move back? Yes. So there is this circle, and with circle we have the parametric curves in blue and green, right?
Right.
And then we have this Euler spiral, and we have these curves of the Euler spiral.
Yeah.
Parametric curves. Now look at both of them, the sine and the cosines, and the parametric curves of the Euler spiral. So what is the difference you are seeing here?
The difference is that the Ural spiral curves are a lot, like the periods are smaller.
Yes. It's
Uh,
getting smaller. Okay, it was
it starts out normal and then it gets smaller.
yes, so it is like this. So it is also the sine and cosine same, but it's getting like the period it's getting smaller and smaller. Because on the other hand, in the like where the parametric curves are written, so it is the angle square, the cos u square sine u square. So it
Hmm.
is the square of the angle, and the square is continuously like as you are gonna take the square of 4, it will be a kind of bigger number. But if you are gonna take the square of 5, it will be the more bigger number. And the squares like increases fast. Okay, it's not something going linear, it is like quite increasing very fast. Because first you are going to take the angle 16, and then for the next time you are taking 25, and then after that you are taking like 36, and then you are taking 49. So you are like increasing angle very fast, therefore the periods are getting smaller and smaller.
Yes.
Okay, so here um okay, I guess so we should move to the next slide.
Okay. Oh my. Okay. First, take a look at.
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
um Okay, do you remember about the Euler method? Like we in the very beginning of our classes, like maybe in the first class, in the first or the second class, we did the integration or the derivation. Um, we did the we took the derivative and the integration of a sine curve, but it was like by the by divide and conquer method.
Right.
So here we can either go with that method for the integration, or we can just simply write in the GeoGebra like just do the integration for us.
Hmm.
Okay, so which method do you want to choose?
Um, have the GeoGebra do it for us.
Okay, so like we can you can now open the new GeoGebra page. You can save the previous one like because that was the graphical construction, and now we are gonna open the new GeoGebra Classic because now we are starting the analytical construction of the inner curve.
Okay. Anyone?
Okay, you can close this spreadsheet because we are not gonna need this spreadsheet in this analytical Yes. The instruction. The 3 dots there. Not that one. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now you can first write the. Now you can write here cos x square in the input.
Okay.
And see what's happened as you put this square. Oh no, not cos square x. You have to make it like cos x square.
Okay.
The angle square. See what is the difference in both of the
Oh wow.
x and then cos of x squared. There's like a lot of difference. And now the next is sine.
Okay.
The sine x squared.
Oh.
Okay, so you can zoom into the origin. Also, you can bring the origin in the middle, yes. In the mid, the origin must be in the middle. Yes, okay. So now we can integrate these curves by 2 methods, like one is the Euler method and the other is the GeoGebra. If we are just want GeoGebra to do it, so we can go for that. But for GeoGebra to do the integration, we have to start with the slider. So you're supposed to first make the slider.
Do you want the to be -1?
-5 to 5.
Okay.
Okay, also we can skip the pages of the Euler's method from the book and move to the GeoGebra method. Okay.
Okay.
So this is also Euler's method next. It's the page 77 from where the GeoGebra will start. Okay.
I can also do it for you.
And we have done with the step 1, and now this is step 2. Move to the next slide.
Okay. Step 2, take the slide. Okay, you did that. Step 3, take the integral.
of the function f in between the range 0 to m. Okay.
Okay.
So how we are gonna write this in the GeoGebra is, so right here integral I and t. Yes, and the third one, function start x value and x value. Yes, so the function first we are gonna do it. Okay, so write f of x here because this is our first function.
Oh, excellent.
F of x. Yes. And now the start value is 0 and the end value is your slider, and this time your slider is t. Okay, so now you can actually, look, we have done the integration, right? And what is integration?
Integration is just like, the
area under the curve.
Okay.
So yeah, so the area of the curve from 0 to like the 1 is 0.9. If you are gonna move the slider more, so it would be, okay, you can if you are gonna move the slider from 1 to 3 or 4, so look the area. Yes.
It only takes the
So it's like showing the area which is under the curve, but in between the range 0 to 5. Okay. So this is your, like, this is how the integration shows us that how much area is under the curve. Okay.
Okay.
So we can do the same integration for the sine, for the function sine of x as well, sine of x squared.
Okay. Oh wait, I already did my bad. And like the same -5 to t, or what is it, 0 comma t?
Yes.
Okay. Should I make it a different color?
It's 1 a.m. It's 1 a.m. at yours. Like, it's 1 a.m. there?
Yes.
It's quite late.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. So, like, how do you usually stay up in the nights? Like, at what time you go to bed?
Maybe like 1:32. It depends. It depends on the day. No, because today's a weekend, though I don't have to like. I mean, tomorrow I have to wake up early, but normally I don't. Though I usually stay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, like, if you are not gonna have enough sleep today, so would you be able to function better tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Okay, because when I don't take enough sleep, the next day I become zombie. I have not enough sleep. Yes, and I was like headache whole day, and I just and I have a mood like don't talk to me if I don't have enough sleep. So it's like fine if you work, like if you function normally, even if you haven't taken enough sleep. That's good. Okay, so and now what we can do is actually so what you can do is actually you can open the trace of these integrals, the a and the b. You can go into the settings, and from settings you can have like show the trace. Right now this is the settings of b. So show object, show label. I guess so maybe in the position, or yes, this is show trace. And similarly, no, for the integrals, I'm asking for the integrals. Okay, we can move to our slides, so so that we know like what we have to do next. My voice is clear?
Yes, yes. Okay. So trace. Okay, wait. Okay, I did that. Take the integral function. Now take the integral for g. Yeah.
Okay, so now you have to the step 5, look at the step 5. You have done the step 4 as well. So what you're supposed to do is plot the points of integrals against your slider. Color them as you like.
Okay.
And you have to check their traces as well.
Okay.
Yes, okay. So how you have to plot the point is that write A and then comma slider T brackets A comma T. Yes. And then another brackets, more brackets. You have college whole week?
Yes.
And what time you go to college?
Usually like 8 a.m. or earlier, or 9. Like I wake up at 7.
Okay, and what time you come back from the college?
Maybe sometimes. It depends on the day because sometimes my classes are longer than others, but usually midday, like 1:30, 2:32.
Okay, and then after coming back from there, you have like, what do you do?
I just do my homework.
Okay, and then you do your homework, and then you are like after coming back from the college, you complete your homework, and like no special like no special commitments. Just you are then coming when you come back from college, you are free. So either you complete your homework or just enjoy your time. Is it?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So the same is for Fatima.
Yes. Yes, it is the same for her as well.
Okay, so here you can write b comma t, because now you are plotting the integrals, both of these integrals against the time.
Okay. Okay. Now it is.
Okay, so do you wanna continue or you wanna stop here?
No, it's okay. I'll continue because I can't meet
Okay.
tomorrow. So I'll just.
Okay, okay. So otherwise, I was thinking that we can meet at 7 p.m. in the week if you want to, like your 7 p.m.
Oh, that works actually. That will be good.
Okay.
Maybe Monday, I guess.
So if
9 p.m.
you are fine with the 7 p.m.,
Hmm.
so we can have like 1 hour class at yeah, we can have 1 hour class in any week, because I guess so it's you have to wake up in the morning, so you need to have rest.
Yes. Okay. Okay, then we can do that. We'll meet at a contiguous 7 or something.
Yeah, so we can meet 7 p.m. So yeah, so in the it would be my morning, and your it would be like kind of evening.
Nighttime,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine. Okay, मैं आपको text कर लूँगी.
Yes. So we will have class at the 7 p.m. tomorrow.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Or and if not possible tomorrow, you can like in the
Okay.
week anytime. So
अच्छा, मैं आपको मैसेज करूँगी. Maybe हम Monday कर लेंगे. Monday would
हाँ
maybe
चले,
good.
जैसे जैसे आपको ठीक लगे. आई एम फ्री द होल वीक एंड 7 p.m. के लिए, ठीक है?
Okay, sounds good.
Yes, yours 7 p.m.
Yeah. अच्छा, office.
Okay, Lafes, take a rest,
I
and
will.
yes, and then you are going to help someone, so it's like
Yes.
it would, yeah, it would be good for me as well. Like you are helping someone and I'm helping you. Okay,
Okay.
so it's a win-win for both of us.
Thank you.
Okay, laugh less.